All right, guys, the next one based on averages, you can give it a try and then you can resume for the solution. Fine. So the question says, the average height of 22 toddlers increases by 2 inches when 2 of them leave this group. Okay, so let's have the toddlers as T1, T2, T3, up to T20, T21, and T22. Okay, let us suppose the average of all these toddlers together. Let's suppose the average of all these toddlers together was 8. Now the question tells us when 2 of them leave this group, let us suppose that the last two, I mean these two last people, they are leaving the group, T21 and T22, they have left. Now the average of the remaining, okay, the average of the remaining is increasing by 2 inches. That means the average of these 20 people is actually A plus 2. Without these two people, the average of the remaining 20 toddlers is A plus 2. If the average height of these two, if the average height of these two toddlers is 1/3 the average height of the original 22, well, original 22, the average was A. 1/3 of this is the average height of each of these toddlers. So the average height of this toddler is A by 3, and this toddler is also A by 3. Then the average height of the remaining 20 toddlers, meaning we're supposed to calculate the value of A plus 2 in this question. All right. So that's our target. We want to figure out the value of A plus 2. So first thing that we can do is we can directly apply the concept of weighted average. Okay, 20 toddlers, their average is A plus 2. 2 toddlers, their average is A by 3, and the combined average is A. So 20 into A plus 2 plus 2 into A by 3 divided by 22 is your average A. So equate this with A. And now we solve this equation with respect to A. We will get 20A plus 40 plus 2A by 3 is 22 getting multiplied by A on the right hand side, 22. Okay, let's take 20A on the right hand side and also 2A by 3 after that. So 22 minus 20 will be 2A, and then again a 2 by 3 goes to the right. So minus 2A by 3 should be equal to 40. This basically gives me 4A by 3. We will have 3 multiplied above and below. 6A minus 2A is 4A upon 3 is equal to 40. And thereby we will get A is equal to 4 cancel 10. 10 into 3 is 30. Now many people get overwhelmed and excited and directly mark option A as the answer. But that's the pitfall here. That's exactly how CAT traps us, by giving us lucrative options and we fall for them. But no, we are desirous of finding A plus 2 in this case. So if A is 30, our final answer is actually 30 plus 2. And that is 32, the correct answer to our question here. And that is basically option C, and that is 32. So now this is one way of solving the particular question, guys. We can also use the concept of deviations here. Deviations tell you that the overall excess or deficit with respect to the average is always a 0. So we have 20 people. Each of them has an excess of 2 from the average. So the overall excess is 20 into 2. That basically becomes 40. To compensate, these two people should have a deficit of 40. Right? If they have a deficit of 40 from the average, we have two such people. Each of them has a deficit of 2 from the average. So each of them will have a deficit of minus 40 upon 2, that is minus 20 from the average. So the average value of these two toddlers is basically the actual average minus 20. But that is nothing but A by 3. So solving this, you will get 2A upon 3 is equal to 20, or the same thing, A is equal to 30, which minimum effort you can basically get A as 30 using the concept of deviations. But yeah, the final answer is obviously 30 plus 2, that is 32, reiterating the fact, C option 32.